It's time for the Intense 5. Let's go. Leela's Grammy performance. She may not have won the award, but she still touched the stage, along with a few other talented artists and her big fur coat. Leela Aika delivered an amazing performance to open up Grammy night. Kez Namdi won a Grammy, a Ras, a Woolmerian, and most importantly, a Jamaican. Congrats to Kez Namdi on his first Grammy win, and big up to all the other nominees in the category too. Just being a contender for the award is a huge deal. Massacre has confirmed a third studio album to be released this year. The Crocsand fans are more than ready, and so are we. If you're a Super Bowl fan, then tomorrow night is your night. Bad Bunny has the halftime show, and he says you don't need to know Spanish, just know how to dance. Okay, no problemo. And finally holding the spot. This is what happens when you live up to your name. So Nuffy went on social media and literally badmouthed Kez Namdi, saying he didn't deserve the Grammy. Cartel came out right after to say Nuffy is his brother and DJ, but is not allowed to speak on his behalf. Cartel also apologized to Kez Namdi. Nuffy is not everything you think you must say. That's it for the Intense 5. Follow us on IG and TikTok at TVJ Intense. Up next, the Brown Skin Ray and Richie. We're soon forward.